Just wanted to give you a little way that you can use the Rail Easy without using the pin if you have a front board. So you're setting this up exactly the same way you would normally set it up. So we have the back plate, the back bottom plate up against the bottom of the railing. And Andrew's going to show you how to do this.
Okay guys, so this is a live unrehearsed video, so bear with us. So right now your current situation, you're using the pin, well not current, typically you use the pin to lock the Rail Easy underneath. That's what holds your Rail Easy on. A lot of people have a board that goes in the front and they can't use this pin, it won't extend down below. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by taking the pin completely right out. We're going to get rid of it. Be careful you don't lose this piece. It'll actually come out. So just put it back together. Keep this for a rainy day. Put the Rail Easy back on. Now I left it a little bit loose here because I want to show you something later. So your Rail Easy is back on. Everything is set up. You got your width set up. You got your thickness set up with your bottom plate. Everything is set up the way you normally have it. Just no pin, and you're going to have a board going down in front. Sorry, down in front.
Yeah, and then you can see this is, right, no pin, so you'd think that it's not going to hold on. But we're going to show you how you can actually use your umbrella pole to secure it in place.
Here. I'm just going to drop it and pull straight in through the top. Now, a lot of railings are a little bit higher than their pole, so I suggest just grab a piece of wood, 2x4, just to extend the leg a little bit. Because what's going to happen is a lot of times you're going to hit here and not the deck. So you just need a piece of board. So what you're going to do is, rather than putting it straight down, you're going to kick it out a little bit. Not very much, just like maybe 3 inches from the base of the railing. Not very much, with that amount, if you can see it. Now tighten the umbrella into the Rail Easy, with it sticking out forward. And then when you kick it in to place, so it's perpendicular, it actually lifts up on the Rail Easy. Now, how I can show you this, the reason why I left that plate loose, is you can actually see in here, the gap in there, and the gap in here, the Rail Easy isn't even touching your railing. It's only touching underneath. And you can actually see what's happening is the joint here is keeping this top plate at 90 degrees perpendicular to your post. It's holding it there, so this has to stick straight out. It can't move. Now you can actually see how strong that is. The post is bending. It's not moving over. You can't. Oh, I actually pulled it out of the post, but you can't lift it up. Kick it in a little bit tighter if you want, but it's tight.
So this is an option that you can do, and it'll actually hold your umbrella in place, and we're not even using the pin. So the spring pin you can use if you want to suspend it and you've got a lip on both sides, but you don't have a lip on both sides, so this is a good option for you.